Okay. Okay, there's nobody in the airplane.
Wow, they have TVs.
Yeah, but there's nobody in the plane, so I'm gonna have to drive it. Okay? But
very big TVs.
yeah.
The plane looks so fancy.
Yeah. 1 hour later.
We're here.
No, we're not here.
Aww, when are we gonna
Anyway, there's time to go to bed. Come on, let me turn off all the lights. Okay, go to bed. I gotta lay down. What is happening? We're crashing! Wake up! Come on! We gotta use the parachute.
What? Oh my god! This is scary.
We're back. We're here. Here. Go in the middle of the city. Trust me. Go in the middle of the city. Ah! And the water fountain. Oh, I was drowning. Where are you?
I landed on the table.
Anyways, where should we stay? Wait, I think I heard there was like a little place where homeless people could stay. I still have my skateboard. Come on, let's go.
I have my skateboard too.
Our stuff fell in there.
Look, that's the school I saw on the TV.
Oh, okay. I can try getting you in the school later.
Okay.
Whoa, this place is cool. It has bathroom, bedroom, and a cafeteria. Oh, yeah. While you do that, I'm going to get you in the school, okay? Oh. Hi. I adopted like somebody, and I was saying if they could come to the school.
Oh yeah, they can definitely come.
How much will it cost?
$5.
Oh, that's pretty cheap for California. Here you go.
Thank you. His first day of school will be on tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Okay. Bye. Thank you. Time to go home. He's probably gonna be excited. Oh, that's his look. Okay. I have a surprise for you. Yeah, you got in. Yay! And it was only for $5 and you're starting tomorrow.
That's so cheap for California.
Yeah, that's what I said. Oh, anyways, you have to get ready because you can't go to school like that. They'll bully you.
What is bullying?
Huh? Oh. Well, it's when somebody like bees mean to you and annoys you. It makes you feel bad. Because of something. Anyways.
Do I look good?
Wait. Yeah, that's perfect. Let me just find the shirt, I guess. Okay. How much will that be?
Like $1.
$1?
Yeah, these shirts are really cheap. They're like
so like $4 because
they're like 99% off.
Oh, okay.
Today's your very lucky day.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Come on, let's go home.
Yay.
Yeah, but it's time to go to bed because tomorrow is school time.
But it's the afternoon.
Whoa, just get some extra rest because it's been a long week and month because our house crashed. Anyways, good night.
Good night.
I mean, good day.
Good day.
Wake up! It's your first day of school.
Yay!
All right, brush your teeth and walk over there because I won't take you because it's pretty close. Okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna use the bathroom. Don't forget to take your backpack.
Okay. Oops, I dropped my. Oops, I dropped my.